So today we're multiplying binomials, and we're going to start by multiplying using the distributive property. After using the distributive property, we will multiply using the FOIL method. Going to color code so that you can follow along the process. We're going to multiply these binomials using the distributive property. First, we're going to distribute 2x plus 4. Then we're going to distribute 3 to x plus 4. When I distribute 2x, that means I multiply 2x times x and 2x times 4. 2x times x is 2x squared, and 2x times 4 is 8x. And I distribute 3. 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now we can combine our like terms. 8x plus 3x is 11x. 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. Do I have any other like term? Is it written in standard form? Yes. If we simplify using FOIL, means we're going to multiply 3x times 2x. So the first two terms, 3x times 2x is 6x squared. Then we're going to multiply the outer, that means 3x times 7, which is 21x. Then we're going to multiply the inner, negative 5 times 2, which is negative 10x. And then we're going to multiply the last term, negative 5 times 7. Now we can combine our like terms. What's 21x plus negative 10x? 11x. So 6x squared plus 11x minus 35. Is this in standard form? Yes. To find the area of the shaded region, how do we find the area of a rectangle? Length times width. So can we find the area of the large rectangle, and can we find the area of the smaller rectangle? Okay, so for the area of the larger rectangle, what would I multiply? 2x plus 5 times 3x plus 1. And what about for the smaller rectangle? Okay, x plus 2 times x. Once I have both of these areas, what do I have to do to find the area of the smaller rectangle? I mean to find the area of the shaded region. Subtract the small from the large. So let's go ahead and solve both of these multiplications. So once we've found the area for the large rectangle and for the small rectangle, what do we have to do next? Subtract. And we can line them up. We have to line up the common terms. So minus x squared plus 2x, right? Plus 0. So why did I put that minus and then open parentheses? What do we have to do with this minus sign? Okay, if I distribute this minus sign, that means this becomes negative, this becomes negative, and this becomes negative, right? The 0, it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't make a difference if it's plus or minus. So if I start subtracting, 6x squared minus x squared is 5x squared. 17x minus 2x is 15x. And 5 minus 0 is 5. This would be plus 15x. So that means that 5x squared plus 15x plus 5 is the area of this shaded region right here. So let's say we have to simplify four x squared plus x minus 6 times 2x minus 3. So I will start by distributing the binomial to the trinomial. So I would say 2x times 4x squared is 8x cubed. Then 2x times x is 2x squared. And 2x times negative 6 is negative 12x. Then I would distribute negative 3. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12x squared. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 16, positive 18. Now we can combine like terms. The reason it is negative 12x squared because negative 3 times 4x squared is negative 12x squared. So we can combine like terms. So 2x squared and negative 12x squared are like terms. Negative 12x and negative 3x are like terms. 8x cubed. We combine our like terms. 2x squared minus 12x squared is negative 10x squared. 12x, negative 12x minus 3x is negative 15x plus 18. Is this in standard form? Yes.